Hi, welcome back to Brunette Wig Place. I'm Lisa. I am so glad that you are here today. Before I get started with this wig review, I just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button below. And then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted something new. So today I am wearing a style that I have wanted to try for a long time. I was kind of hem-hawing around about what I wanted to review for my channel a while back, and I have a list that I keep of wigs that I like, but I just maybe I haven't gotten to, and then I check them off as I go. And this particular wig was on that list, so I decided I would go ahead and give her a try. So this is Dakota by Rene of Paris, and the color on this is Marble Brown LR, which stands for long rooted. And as you can see, she is very long rooted. So I wanted to try this color. I have tried the Marble Brown R that just has the rooting, right at the part and just a short root on it. I had not tried the long rooted version, so I wanted to give this color and this style a try. So let me do a turn and then I will get into my opinions of Dakota. So here she is from the front. You can see she's just a long, very natural looking style, particularly if you have more fine hair and you wear it, just past shoulder length. She looks extremely natural. She's very low density. I can't find any permatease in her. So, very natural, straight, mid-length, not super long style. So here's my right side. The back. My left. And back to the front. Okay, so Dakota. I've struggled with her a little bit, I have to be honest. I think that she could use some steam. I don't like to do a ton to these wigs, as I always tell you all, whenever I get them. I wore her a couple times just to kind of get used to her because I was just like, the cap's a little big on me, and I was kind of in between like and dislike on her. I'm not sure. Part of it is the color. I think the color is a little too dark for me and it's a little harsh. Although it's a pretty color. I like how it goes in, how it has the dark root and it goes into the lighter colors. But for me, I was like, and the style isn't my favorite thing. And she kind of does this little bit of a cone head thing on top. And she fits pretty well from ear to ear. She feels bigger like from, forehead to nape on me. There's a lot of extra cap. And she's an average size. She's not a petite cap. So that's perfectly understandable. I cinched in her adjusters to get her to fit a little bit better. But I'm still just, probably on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give her a 5 for me personally. So anyway, so let me show you her lace front. So with the dark, you can see the dark knotting. It's not terrible. It's got really, these hairs are super, super fine. So the knots are pretty tiny. And then she has this left middle part. Hope you can see that. Yeah. Her ear tabs are pretty good. I've got good coverage, around my face and everything. She's got a good sized piece of metal in there. Ear tabs fall, just right in front of my ear. But like I said, the cap itself, the cap is sitting just right at my ear. It's a little bit big, and after I wore it for a couple hours, I definitely was kind of ready to take it off. But like I said, I just think she has an average and above fit, I think, as opposed to having a petite fit, and I'm a petite. So I think that's what is going on with the fit. She's a popular wig. I've seen her on a lot of people. I actually saw her on a gal in the Wig Studio 1 group, and that was what made me want to purchase her, because I thought, well, gosh, she's really pretty on her, but I'm just not sure about her on me. So really nice. Okay, measurement-wise, she has an 8-inch bang. So you can see, I feel like there's a layer. It's maybe a little bit shorter than the 8-inch, but the measurements that they give are an 8-inch bang. She is 14 inches from the crown, and her nape is 11 inches. They did not give a side measurement. So 11 inches, she's hanging, not to my bra strap, but, just right to the very top of my back. Not bad. I don't really like to go longer than about 11 inches on a long wig. She's just really, really light and wispy, and I found that I had to just have I don't have my comb right here, but I had to have my wide tooth comb, and I had to comb through her a lot just to keep her from tangling. So, and you would probably, when you take her off, you'd probably want to spray her, you know, with some silicone spray just to, again, keep her from getting tangly, keep her from getting matted. So these longer styles are a lot more challenging in synthetic wigs. So those are things that you have to do to keep them maintained and keep the style nice. But I do like the fact that she has some length and she is fun to style. So I'll show you that at the end of the video. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Okay, interior cap for Dakota by Rene of Paris. So as you can see, she has a lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab. And she has this mono part. It does not go all the way back to the crown, but it goes back pretty far. She has closed wefting here with some flower lace over that. She has soft felt ear tabs, and you can see there's a lot of hair attached to the ear tabs, which makes it really nice for off the face styling. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has pull adjusters, and as you can see, I've pulled those out pretty far because, like I said, she's big on me. She does not have an extended nape, which I think is sort of interesting. I think that would be a nice addition for her, considering how long she is. This is felt across here, so it's comfortable at the nape. I'm a little surprised she doesn't have an extended nape. You know, that makes it nicer for when you put her up. So she's probably more of a low pony wig as opposed to a high pony wig. Okay. Okay, let's talk about this color. And one thing I do want to add about her measurements is that I have seen her with a bang cut in. You could easily shorten that bang and have more of a side sweeping bang. Or if you wanted to put the bang all the way across and steam it down, you could have full, you know, forehead coverage. I have seen her with bangs cut into her and she looks really cute like that. So, but I kind of like the way this layer just sort of wants to sweep by the face. Now, I will tell you, it falls in your face a lot. So a little steam would be nice to maybe steam her just off a little bit. I just don't like to do a lot of steaming and stuff to make these wigs look different because I want you to know what she looks like pretty much out of the box. I did have to put her on my wig head. I had to, you know, just spray the top and get it a little bit damp because she had some cold crimping just from being in the box. And, you know, I didn't want to show her with like a big crimp in her or anything. And, you know, that was easy to get out of there. I just put her on my mannequin head overnight and, you know, that came out of there. So really, really nice. Didn't have to steam it or anything, but I do think she could maybe use a little steam to get her away from the face a little. She's just stringy and she wants to be like this all the time, and that's a little bit frustrating. So, okay, color. So this is Marble Brown LR, the long-rooted version of their Marble Brown. Very, very pretty color. So they describe it as it is rooted with a dark brown, as you can see. That dark brown root goes pretty far down, very long root. And then there's a blend of medium brown and light honey brown ends. So she gradually comes out of the long root and goes into the light honey brown. You also see the medium brown and the honey brown up here around the face, which is pretty. I think that the dark brown that's in the rooting is just, it's a little bit harsh. I saw where it was described that it was an 8, but gosh, it looks more like a 6 or a 4 to me. Maybe outside it'll look lighter. Always seems like there's little variations in these colors, you know, from wig maker to wig maker, as far as an 8 for one brand is darker maybe than an 8 for another brand, or a 6 for, you know, that kind of thing. So I like her light wispiness. She's very realistic looking, which I really like. Okay, let's take Marble Brown LR outside in the natural light and we will look at her out there. Okay, so outside with this Marble Brown. It looks like it is about to pour down rain. So I better get on this. Really, really pretty. You can see that dark brown rooting that goes down pretty far there. And then you can see these pretty honey brunettes and medium brunettes as the color extends down to the ends. Here's her lace front. Oops. Mono part. You can see her, there's a little bit of a breeze. It's starting to rain on me a little bit. Very pretty, very natural. I love that about this style. Okay, let's talk about styling for Dakota by Rene of Paris. So you have this length. You have a little bit of layering, so there are lots of things that you can do with her styling wise. I do want to show her first, tucked behind the ears. Her ear tab, like I said, the cap's a little big on me, so I would probably have to leave out some hair. Let me see if I can get all that behind there. I don't want to bend up the ear tab and make it look weird right there. The ear tab goes a little low on me because I think she's a little bit big ear to ear on me. I'm 11 ear to ear. So, but I can get her behind the ears. And then glasses, she's easy. No problem. You could easily put your glasses up. She's low density, so no problem there. Very easy. And then while I have her sort of behind the ears, show her with a headband. This is what I'm talking about. Do you see the stringiness? Like, that's what's kind of bugging me about her. She definitely, like I said, could use some steam. She could use maybe some of the styling creme just to get her these front layers to lay down better. So, but cute with a headband. I think I pulled her back a little bit. You could also just headband her, you know, without putting her behind the ears. That looks cute. You can use any kind of clips, you know. This is something I was having to do because this one layer, this little wispy layer just wants to go in my face. So it just takes a little clip to get that out of your face. And she looks really cute like that. She looks kind of boho if you just pull back, just, you know, these top ones and just get them out of your way. You may have to bobby pin a little bit over here too. But then you can do, you know, half up, half down with her. And you can do a pony, but like I said, because she does not have an extended nape, I would not do a high pony. Just make sure that your nape is laying down there. Make sure also that these pull adjusters, because I had to pull these so much to make the circumference fit that I could easily have that strap hanging down. So I have to make sure that that is tucked in for a pony also on both sides. And then, like I said, I think I would stick with low pony on her. But she makes a nice low pony. Really cute. So, lots of styling possibilities with her. She is just regular synthetic. She is not heat friendly. So, she's not one that you could put heat on. You could steam her, you know, to adjust the style, or, you know, if she was, like I said, mine had a little bit of cold crimping in there. If you need to fix that or steam her off the face, you could steam her. You just need to be careful because these are not heat-friendly fibers. So all in all, I think she's a cute piece. Like I said, I really like how natural she is. I like her density. I like that she just really looks like natural long hair. So I think I would probably prefer her in a color that's not quite so dark, because I do feel like this long rooted color is a little harsh on me. But she's not a bad little wig. She's a cute wig. So anyway, I hope that you have found my opinions on this wig helpful. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.